we're waiting for it to stop so we can relax. It's a little bit like waiting to know that we will never be hurt before we can love another human being. Or waiting for there to be no wars before we can feel the sense of peace. Waiting for there to be no more betrayals anywhere before we can trust. Or no more suffering before we can feel compassion. It's a little bit inside out, and the story of stress and depression and relaxation really shows this kind of inverted state that we tend to live in, where the suffering takes control of our being. Now, this amazing thing happens when we are experiencing relaxation, is that we come into life. Our being comes to life. Our naturalness comes to life. Our expression is suddenly allowed. But we're also allowed to listen. We become more receptive. We have all the time and all the space. And this is telling us that there is a relaxation which is always here. As part of our true nature, there's a relaxation which is always here. Very close to our being. In fact, that's almost like the atmosphere of our being. We are naturally relaxed in our essence. It could be that the whole universe is a relaxed universe. That creation is a movement of relaxation. That all of this balance and harmony and beauty and symmetry that we see in nature, all this magnificence is an expression of relaxation.